Alright, good morning everybody. We are getting ready to head out and finish up the floor job. I had to load up a few more boxes of flooring. We were running low yesterday. We just got the bathroom and the laundry room and the master closet left. And then we got some trim we're going to have to put on and do some caulking. Yeah, once we get that done, it's going to take us about an hour. Once we get that done, and we'll come back and we're going to clean the shop and work on the truck. We got a mess of trash. We got a bunch of salt and sand that needs to go out. These two things, the plow and the solder, both need washed and stored outside because I don't think we're going to get any more snow. And then last night I got started to put these together because I got new running boards for my truck, because those ones are rusted out and they're less than 3 years old. Freaking Chinese metal. But I think Zach's probably going to put those the rest of the way together. I was going to put them together, but you actually have to put them on the truck like that and then put all the other pieces on them. So yeah, all right, well, let's get heading out there and we'll catch up with you there. When putting your adhesive on, always try to go left to right with it. Just what the can says. I don't know the correct verbiage behind it. And don't worry if you get a little bit on the walls and stuff. The stuff wipes right up. And even though we are gluing it down, pieces will still come right up. See, like yesterday we did this piece here. The glue just helps it hold in place. So you can still walk through and pick any part of the floor out and replace it without having a hard time. Unlike me having a hard time with this register vent. Alright, so I'm waiting on the floor to dry, or the glue to dry. But the way to use these work so good. Just pull in, clamp, twist down. Pull in, clamp, twist down. These things are extremely handy for getting nails out. It will save you a great deal of time. And don't bugger up the other end. It sure beats trying to use pliers because they're rounded right here, so you can just use it as a pry device. Alright, that's how you get those out in 2 minutes. It's not too bad. Sure beats the hammer and pry out technique, and then you end up boogering up the face side of the board. I messed that one up. I keep messing something up here. What? I'm measuring from the wrong end. Yeah, I keep measuring from the wrong end. I'm measuring from this end, and I should be measuring from this end. Same thing I did down there. Alright, Zach's got the last piece to go in. If it cuts a nice curve.
It totally didn't. I cut a half a trapezoid. Oh, it still ain't freaking right. Like my snips don't want to curve that small.
Right.
They don't either. Cut around the toilets, can't cut around freaking 2-inch pipe. That ain't terrible.
No.
I'll totally live with that.
Yeah, it's not bother. Alright, well, the floor is all complete. We still got some trim work to do, but the floor around the toilet done. Over in here. All down through there is complete. We got the laundry room complete. Give me a piece of that flooring that's long enough, at least to span.
You gotta do that a couple more doors?
Yeah.
Well, you hadn't pulled the one. Is that the bath? That's the bedroom door. Yeah, the bathroom door and both bathroom doors.
Yeah, hold on to that.
You got your pen? Where's your pen?
Push the bottom end. Alright, that one we need to pop off.
You gonna do it?
Yeah. Hey, will you, when you're done with that sweeper, get the bottoms of these doors in the master? No, there's just sawdust on them. No, I didn't mess it up. Tyler didn't do his job.
What did I do?
Yep. And it's all complete. So now the cleaners just need to come back in, give it a touch up, and she'll be good to go. Let's go get the job trailer hooked up and we'll be out of here.